In today's episode of our Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the entire design workflow on how I design this creative social media poster in Adobe Photoshop. If today is your first time on my channel, click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon. If you are a returning subscriber too, click on the thumbs up and also let me know what you think about this flyer in the comment section below. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is to set up my canvas size, and I'm going to give this project a name. So I'm going to call it Yellow Goldie Social Media Poster, alright, or social media flyer. They are all the same thing. And then we are using the 4.5 by 5 inches, right? And I'm going to leave everything as it is and then click on the create button. Alright, now the first I'm going to start with is the background color. So head over to this guy right here, click on it and then click on solid color. And then this is the color code that we are going to use, F3 7B00, and then click on OK. Alright, now that we are done with this, I'm going to create a new layer on top of that and then come to my foreground color. And then this is the color code that we are going to use for the foreground. We have CB0327, alright. And I'm going to grab my brush tool, right, and I'm going to increase the size to 500 pixels, and I'm going to apply it right here and then to this side and then this side as well, like that. Great. All right, now this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go over to my blending options and then change it from normal to divide, right? We have divide here, so click on it. Good. Now I'm going to create a new layer and then go to my foreground color again and then change the color to black, right? Then grab my brush tool and I'm going to increase the size to, let's say, 1000, and I'm going to apply it down here like this, right? Great. So this is quite okay for me. I'm going to adjust it like this. Awesome. All right, now head over to your resource files and then drag and drop this image right here. Then I'm going to resize it like this, right? And then keep it right here. And then head over to the blending option and then change it to divide as well. Good. So something like this is okay for me. All right, so now I'm going to resize it a little bit and then keep it right here. Let's come to our light effects, right? Then let's adjust it this way. Okay, good. All right, this is quite okay for me. Alright, so now we are done with our background. Now I'm going to group everything right here, drag it to the folder icon, right, and then right click on it and then give it the red color. So anytime you see any layer allocated with the red color, it means that it belongs to the background folder, right? Now I'm going to grab my type tool and then add my first text. So let me change the color to white and then increase the size to 30. Then I'm going to add my first text, which is weak, right? Now I'm going to change my fonts. So I have this font here called the Adios Vertical, right? I'm going to increase the size like this. Keep it right here. Click on this guy and then come and click on these 3 dots right here and then click on this drop down arrow. Select the canvas and then click on this guy right here to align it right in the center, right? So this is what we are going to do. On your keyboard, press on Ctrl+J to duplicate the text layer. Now I'm going to select the bottom one, right? It's this one right here. And then with my arrow keys, I'm going to push it to the left side like this. Okay, so this is okay for me. Now I'm going to head over to my filter tab and then go to blur and then go to motion blur. Now let's click on convert to smart object, all right? And then this is what we are going to do. Now change the angle to 62 degrees and then change the distance to 85 pixels and then click on OK. Great. Now I'm going to add my next text. So grab your type tool and then let's change the font to Montserrat, right? So I'm going to add my next text, which is happy name. And then I'm going to adjust it this way. So I'm going to increase the tracking. Okay, so let's increase it with my arrow keys like that. Let's reduce the font size. Okay, 7 is okay for me. The tracking. Okay. And I'm going to click on this guy to keep it right in the middle. Great. Now head over to your shape tool and then select the rectangle tool and then draw a rectangular shape right on top of the new text right here. All right. And I'm going to move it right down like this and then change the color to CC0327. Click on OK. Now I'm going to go ahead and then bring in my subject, which is this lady right here, right? So keep it right here like that. Click on this guy and I'm going to resize it and adjust it like this. Keep it right here. Let's see. Okay, so something like this is okay for me. I'm going to keep it right here like that. Great. All right, now this particular tutorial, every resource file that I am using, including the fonts, is right available in the Ultimate Graphic Design Resource Pack. And so if you want to use these resources that I'm using, then check out the link in the comment section, the pinned comment section, to get yourself the Ultimate Graphic Design Resource Pack. All right, now this is what you are going to do. So come here and then grab your guide and then keep it right here, right? So somewhere here is okay for me. And I'm going to drag another one from the top and then keep it right here like that. Great. And then drag another one and then keep it right here. All right. Right. Now create a new layer and then drag it down. It should be below the subject. All right. So this is the subject and then this is our new layer, which is layer 3. Now go to your pen tool and then this is what we are going to do. So stand here and then make a click and then come here, make another click to draw an anchor point. Then come here, make another click and then come here to make another click like that. All right. And then you come down like this, right to this place. You need to be careful. Great. And then come down here. Good. And then put it right here. Great. And then let's go straight like this and then remove it right top. It shouldn't be on the guide, right? It should come a little above that. So very subtle adjustment like this. Then we close it and then we close it like that. Now I'm going to change the color, so I'm going to double click on it and then sample the color that we have right here, which is CC0327. Great. Now we are going to get rid of our guides like this. Great. Now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a new layer on top of the shape that we just drew, right? Right click on the new layer and then click on create clipping mask. Now go to your foreground color and then sample the color here, but then come down. I'm going to change it. So let's use this color right here, 35010A. Now I'm going to grab my brush tool and then decrease the size, right, to 500 pixels. And then we are using the soft round brush, so I'm going to apply it here like that, right? All right, now this is what I'm going to do. Head over to your resource files and then drag and drop this image right here. All right, click on this guy. I'm going to right click on the image and then click on rasterize layer. Go to your eraser tool and then select the magic eraser and then get rid of the white background like that. Then I'm going to resize it, right? And I'm going to keep it right here like that. Good. Press on Ctrl+J to make a duplicate and then move the other one to this side, right? Great. Now I'm going to merge them together. So click on merge layers and then right click on it and then click on create clipping mask, right? Now I'm going to head over to my effects and then click on color overlay, sample the color that we have right here. All right, so let's use that color. Good. Now head over to your filter, click on blur and then click on motion blur, and then we are going to change the angle to 90 degrees and then change the distance to 36 pixels and click on OK. All right, now right click on the image, right, and then click on rasterize layer style. All right, now head over to your blending options and then click on subtract, right? So I'm going to reduce the opacity to something like this. Okay, so 50 works for me, or you can even go 45, right? And I'm going to right click on it again and then click on rasterize layer, and I'm going to grab my eraser tool. Okay, so we are going to get rid of the lower parts like that. Awesome. So this works for me. Now the next I'm going to do is to select all of these and then drag it to the folder icon right here, right? Then I'm going to right click on it and then allocate the orange color to it. Good. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to head over to my resource files and then drag and drop this last image right here. All right, click on this guy and I'm going to resize it like this. Right click on it and then click on rasterize layer. Go to your eraser tool and select the magic eraser tool. Let's get rid of the background like that. Now on your keyboard, press on Ctrl+T to transform. Right click on it and then click on flip vertical. Then I'm going to adjust it like this, then decrease the size, right? Keep it right here. Good. Now head over to your FX, click on color overlay, and then we are using the same color, so I'm going to sample this color right here. Good, great. Then I'm going to add my text, so grab your type tool and then put your text right here. This could be any message that you want, right? Let's change the color to white. Now click on this guy and then select this alignment right here. Okay, now you can go ahead and then align it as you want. So right, I think this is okay for me. I'm just going to maintain it this way. Click on this guy. Good. Now on your keyboard, press on Ctrl+J to make another duplicate and then bring it right here. Then this can also be another message that you want to add. Let's change the alignment to left alignment, and I'm going to keep it right here like that. Now I'm going to group all of these as well and then drag it to the folder icon here. Right click on it and then give it another color, so you can give it the yellow color as well. Now if you want to master Adobe Photoshop like the top 1%, then make sure to check out this video on the top right here. Alright, now if you also want to join my design dialogue community where we talk about graphic design, trending designs, design ideas, where you can also share your design ideas for feedback and a lot, right, to learn from each other, then check out the Telegram link in the description of this video to join my Telegram community. Now there we have our beautiful social media flyer. If you find this video helpful, click on that thumbs up button and then let me know what you think about this flyer. Click on the subscribe button as well. Until I come your way with another Photoshop tutorial, I'm out.